What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making a low-calorie protein pancake. So let's get started. First, we're going to grab a bowl, and I have the vegan vanilla protein powder by 1UP Nutrition. So for one scoop, it's 130 calories. We're gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. Every 2 tablespoons of coconut flour is 60 calories. We're gonna add a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a cup of egg whites, which equals to 50 calories, and a half a cup of cashew milk, which will equal to 12 calories. Now we mix. So this is what I have so far. Now I'm going to add our frozen blueberries. So I have a half a cup here, and that will equal around 40 calories. Now we can get started cooking them. So I'm gonna turn the stovetop to medium heat, and then I'm gonna be using coconut spray. Oh, so I'm wearing a piece of FITBY apparel shirt. It's like a turtleneck. Huh? I don't know if you can see it. Cute, right? Ah, look at it. So cute. So what it should look like, I added everything to MyFitnessPal. So the total amount of calories is just under 300. And I also added sugar-free syrup, which is 15 calories per 2 tablespoons. Let's taste test. Cheers. The blueberries, so good in this. For some, I don't know why, that vegan vanilla protein powder is so good making pancakes. I don't know why. They're just so good. And it's like 34 grams of protein. Like, hello gains. So if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to comment down below and subscribe. That's all I have for this video, so tune in for next time. Peace.
Bye.